Headaches still linger for more than 54,000 homeowners who are still dealing with open claims following Hurricane Ian and Idalia. And tonight we checked out one Northport community where a thin layer of shrink wrap still lines the roofs of many homes.
Remnants of what's left of what Ian left behind.
Craig Lippi nearing the end of remodeling his bathroom, a project that stemmed from a leaky roof caused by damage from Hurricane Ian. After a long battle for a fair settlement with his insurance company, he finally got his roof replaced, but it took a year and a half to complete. There are projects you're still dealing with.
Yes, hopefully within a month we'll be done, but I'm pushing 2 years, and then the next cycle starts again.
Damage from the storm still prevalent in his neighborhood. Multiple homes in his community finally getting repaired after wrangling with insurance companies.
If you have a claim, it's a battle, and you're going to fight it long and hard for a year, 2 years plus. And there's people in town here that still have not had their claims settled.
Some of these, though, that drag on like this, it's really harmful to consumers.
Lisa Miller is an insurance consultant. She says there's more than 54,000 past storm claims that have not been fully resolved.
Contractor abuse has really harmed consumers. Insurance company claim disputes, disagreements with insurance companies. There's any number of factors that can delay a claim.
Some homeowners are voicing concerns as we make our way into this year's hurricane season, especially if they have a dispute with a claim, because a new state law now no longer requires insurance companies to pay attorney's fees. Reporting in Northport, Lenny Supal, 8 on your side.